FESTOOL installation organizer, made in Germany. This is the SAE or inch size version. It has two trays. This is the top tray and this is the bottom tray. All these FESTOOL screwdrivers and nut drivers are branded FESTOOL, and they all have the sizes printed on them. Nothing is printed on any of the caps. There's two sizes of flats: Phillips 1, 2, and 3, Posi Drive 2, Torx 25, nut drivers quarter, 5/16 and 3/8, and a number 2 square. You may recognize these. These are Felo Ergonics. They both have the Felo logo. The Felo Ergonics are a very comfortable soft handle, and the FESTOOL drivers have the soft compound, just like the Felo Ergonics. Some rebrands made by Felo are not the soft kind. The Felo Ergonics do have the tip styles printed on the caps. The FESTOOL version does not. The SAE version, of course, comes with SAE sizes of hex keys. Each hex key is stamped with the size and made in Germany. Hex keys fit in the holder easily and then turn to lock. The adjustable wrench maxes out at 36.2 millimeters, which will fit on inch and 3/8. Laser etching is only on this side of the wrench. There's no laser etching here. The sloppiness in the adjustable mechanism isn't too bad. I wish they had opened up another indentation here to put something in here. For example, a small tape measure or a utility knife. It's too bad there's so much wasted space here. These SAE sizes tend toward the smaller end, so instead of starting at 9/16 and ending at 5/16, they started at 1/2 inch and went all the way down to 1/4 inch. Each wrench is laser etched with the FESTOOL logo on both sides. These drivers all have date codes of 20, so they were all manufactured in 2020. As of Thanksgiving 2023, this set can be found on closeout for much less than its original retail price. That was a look at this FESTOOL installation tool set. Happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for watching.